Some nigga told me, he told me the story of the original rap group.
Went back into
the day when the nigga showed up visiting cousins. Did you see everybody was like, you know,
See the nigga on my hip-hop fan, he never knew who
homie little cousin, whatever, you know, whatever. And then to the day when he was finally like, hey, you know what, homie, flow. And he, you know, couple of little situations went down where niggas just hung around some gangster shit. And he was like, all right, he could be one of us. Let nigga in. My niggas let me in the clique like that. Nigga, I moved up when I was 14, nigga. My niggas let me in the clique a long time ago, and knowing that I'm not gonna be talking about shit that happened and shit that's gonna get people in trouble and shit like that. I think I'm with the crew, nigga. Come on, man.
And the bet like a gangster gumbo. Let's keep it like that,
on, man.
You see Frisco, you see Oakland, you see Stokeland. Tell me to make a short story shorter. Let's keep on kicking these doors wide open, man, for these young.
Hey, man, forward take y'all back to some shit before crack really drove the motherfucking bay crazy with money and all kind of shit. We was just out there, rappers, riding around, niggas be like, show. Taking up to Hunts Point. We ride up to Hunts Point, we stop here, this coming, that coming, we jumping out, everybody loves Saute. Everybody, nigga, what show, nigga? We out there kicking it, with the jury on and shit, mobile phone, hands on the car.
The bricks.
Every time they see the top bro, everybody coming all out the cut. Show here, folks. Show here, you know what I'm saying? So it's a love thing, man, to make a short story shorter. That's what I'm looking for. You know what I'm saying?
Alright. We need to sit around and talk about this something. I need to get this off my chest, man. I'm going to tell all y'all what tripped me the fuck out. Man! I'm like, nigga, at the time it happened, who I'm going to call? Nigga say, you the first one to call me. He say, this nigga on Twitter. I'm like, he's on Twitter. He's on Twitter fucking you up. I'm like, how does that happen? I don't even know what that means.
But I tell you though, I'm like, but don't even respond to this man.
I know, man. First thing I do, call E40. First thing I do, I call Chuck from that deal. I call him. Who else the fuck I call? My nigga Black called me immediately, saying, man, I'm getting these conflicting replays, right? 40, Richie Rich. All these niggas be saying, man, this mess, man, you know, don't ignore this shit, man, you know. Good advice. I ignore it. In fact, man, ignore that nigga. This is what he did. I ignored it, man.
Anytime that nigga got a new project coming out, or he got something like he need a buzz, nigga forget about it. He go this way. He did 40 a few years ago. Talking about nigga, you ain't never put me on, nigga.
14 days ago, and the dude is y'all. Like that he is the man that y'all. I'm thinking that's who he is. And I called him, I hunt down his number, and called him. I'm just like, what are you doing? Like, what's up? We have a 20-minute conversation, very civil, nobody raised their voice, nobody threw a threat, nothing. We had a conversation about men having differences, and I'm like, dude, man, I'm so glad we got to talk past this shit. You calling me, throwing messages and shit, it's all good. Man gets off the phone with me, I'm losing it, right? I'm right at that point, I'm burying him. I'm like, this shit. I'm still thinking film, I'm thinking everything, I'm thinking solid, right?
Yeah,
They called me, I still be Quinn in there.
No, that ain't Quinn. No, that ain't Quinn. Except Quinn on the side, yeah, I think that might be Quinn right here. No, that ain't Quinn. Let me call Quinn.
Call me when you get out, when you get right there. Quinn ain't gonna come in and make a grand.